Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin for long-term holding, follow these step-by-step instructions to invest strategically and store your cryptocurrency securely. Step 1. Develop a long-term investment strategy by determining how much you want to invest, whether you'll make a lump sum purchase or use dollar-cost averaging to buy regularly over time, and setting your investment time horizon. Step 2. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange with low fees, strong security, and the features you need. For long-term holders, consider exchanges that offer easy recurring purchases and seamless transfers to personal wallets. Step 3. Set up dollar-cost averaging by scheduling automatic purchases of Bitcoin at regular intervals, such as weekly or monthly. This strategy reduces the impact of price volatility and removes emotion from buying decisions. Step 4. Purchase Bitcoin through your chosen exchange and plan to hold through market ups and downs. Long-term holders believe in Bitcoin's fundamental value proposition and aren't concerned with short-term price fluctuations. Step 5. Transfer your Bitcoin to a secure personal wallet, preferably a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for maximum security. Leaving large amounts on exchanges exposes you to hacking risks and exchange failures. Step 6. Secure your backup seed phrase by writing it down on paper or metal, storing it in multiple secure locations like a safe or safety deposit box, and never storing it digitally where it could be hacked. Step 7. Resist the urge to check prices constantly or react to market news and volatility. Successful long-term holding requires patience and conviction in your investment thesis despite short-term price movements. Step 8. Consider tax implications by keeping records of all purchases, understanding that you'll owe capital gains taxes when you eventually sell, and consulting a tax professional familiar with cryptocurrency taxation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.